Hello, I'm Kate Jeffels and I'm the Chief Officer for Together Middlesbrough and Cleveland. We're really fortunate here in South Tees to live in one of the most beautiful places in the country, but I'm biased. But it is also one of the most deprived areas of the country. We already had 1 in 3 children and 1 in 4 adults classed as living in poverty before the pandemic and before the current cost of living crisis. The additional impact of these events has made an already desperate situation much worse. Child poverty in the North East now stands at 40%, and Redcar and Cleveland has seen the biggest increase in the whole country. Together Middlesbrough and Cleveland has its roots in the Church of England and was set up in 2012 to tackle the impacts of this poverty by coordinating the social action of local churches. Since then, our board and our network has expanded, and we now do this through a unique network of over 70 churches, schools, faith groups and community organisations, working together with and for people of all faiths and none across South Tees. One of our most important areas of work is around the prevention of homelessness. The most important basic thing that people need to thrive is a safe and secure home. Our long-term plans are to work with local and national partners to develop community-led housing locally and social housing support. For the past 5 years, we've been working with DePaul UK on the Positive Pathways programme.
The funding that we receive is really important to a project like this, because without funding we wouldn't have the basis to do what we do.
DePaul UK are supporting hundreds of people in Middlesbrough who are at risk of homelessness or already homeless.
The funding helps the vulnerable people of Middlesbrough, and it's really, really important. The biggest difference that we make in this community is the support that we give to the vulnerable people within Middlesbrough who access our service.
Hello, I'm Julie McGee and I work with Jan on the Brighter Lives project. Before that, Jan and I worked together on the Food and Friendship project, which was part of lottery-funded Ageing Better Middlesbrough and was designed to bring lonely and isolated people together by sharing a meal and creating new friendships. The project also made intergenerational links by working with children in local schools, inviting older people for a meal, crafts and a chat.
Hello, I'm John Hodgson and together with Julie McGee work on the Brighter Lives Mental Health Awareness Project funded by the Benefact Trust. Julie and I together deliver the mental health first aid awareness training to the clergy and lay communities in the Tees Valley area, including Middlesbrough and Redcar. The training is designed to help faith communities recognise the first signs of mental ill health and signpost to professional help. It includes references to what we mean by mental health and looks at common mental health conditions, including stress, anxiety, depression and substance misuse. The training also helps churches to think about how to create positive mental health spaces to help those who come into their churches. We're also working in partnership with Middlesbrough and Stockton Mind to offer specialist support in this area.
But by far the most important part of what we do are the amazing children, families and individuals who use our service and the fantastic churches and community organisations that we partner with to deliver them.
I think Together Middlesbrough and Cleveland make a huge difference to our work and what we do. Because if not for them, as I've said before, we wouldn't be here today, because we have to pay for this venue, and it's because of the support they are giving us. So they are contributing to the development of the group, to the expansion of this group.
Click, click, click. This is all we have, like, in the community as a get-together for kids and parents to have that. This is the only activity we have. And for the kids to be able to come out and mix with other kids that they haven't been able to mix with for so long really means a lot. And you really enjoy doing the things we wouldn't normally get to do, wouldn't we?
And I make lots of friends.
You make lots of new friends, don't you, which is really nice.
Yeah. Here you can get you can meet new people, and you can also talk to other people. If you can't talk to very many people at your house, say if you're a single child, it's a very good way to make friends.
It's not about going out and meet people, but when we meet the children, they're from different backgrounds, but they're gathering here and they play together, they had food, and simply see them happy.
Hi, my name is Caroline Nakachwa. I work with Together Middlesbrough and Cleveland, and I'm here to talk about the Community Engagement Initiative that ran from January 2021 to July 2022. We have partnered with the several agencies and community organizations in Middlesbrough to come up with sustainable solutions to food insecurity. And we have always got the support from community groups and other community champions who support and donate to our causes.
Organisations like Together Middlesbrough and Cleveland, and those organisations that we support, are needed now more than ever. But just like the people that we support, these organisations and ourselves are also struggling to survive and to meet the growing need and demand for our services. If you would like to find out more about Together Middlesbrough and Cleveland and our work in your community, you can visit our website at togethermc.org.uk. Every donation we receive is greatly appreciated, and every pound can make a huge difference in our community. £3 will provide resources for the people participating in our First Aid for Mental Health training. £3 will also provide activities and resource materials for a child from a struggling family who is on one of our Feast of Fun activity days. £4 will provide a healthy lunch for that child while they're enjoying our fun and educational activities. £5 will provide a family activity pack. £10 will contribute to a family food parcel, providing a family of 4 with meals for 5 days. And £30 will support enrichment activities to be provided at the Feast of Fun holiday school provision. If you would like to support our work in your community, then you can donate to our organisation through our local giving donation button, which you'll also find on our website, and that address again is togethermc.org.uk. Thank you.